It's time to think a bit. Now, is Polygon Matic a scam? It might be. I found some real concerning news. It might be a rug pull. I need War on Rugs to get on this immediately. Everyone send this video to them. Now look at this. We're on Coin. We're on Coin Market Cap. Now let's go to Polygon's page. This is their website, official Polygon website. Ethereum, blockchain, whatever. Yeah, this guy owes me $5 still. But all right, let's go to community. We click on their Twitter. Let's go to their Twitter. Look at this. Matic Network inactive account. Can you believe this? 0 tweets. What's going on here, Polygon? Is this some kind of scam? You want to try to take my money and run? So this is some kind of scheme. Look at this. We even go down to right here. Here's that little bird. We click on it. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, look at this. Matic Network inactive account. Can you believe this? Look at this. You click on this, this will take them to their webpage. Inactive Twitter. I don't know what's going on. What do you guys think? Is Polygon is Polygon a scam? Get War on Rugs on this. War on Rugs. That's pretty hard to say real fast. War on Rugs. War on Rugs. But see if we gotta get the bottom of this, man. Because I'm thinking about investing big time money. Because I think Matic, Polygon, whatever you want to call it, is gonna rise. But not if it's a scam. All right. That's all I got. Let me know in the comments below. Good night. For now.